Play. Extreme. 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 Hot. Then you can faster. It can be faster than you. I don't care. I really don't give a fuck. This is going to be hell of fun, bro. We use the patience of the past that works. Day one. What's that bed for, bro? Slow. Let's go up. Let's go up. What's that bed for, bro? Let's check. Oh fuck, she's coming, bro! Fuck. Come, go. Go to that fucking back. You never see me. Did you see me? Fuck, bro. Stay two, bro. Put it on the bed, bro. Fuck. What's that for, bro? Let's get out. Let's go, bro. I don't care. I'm just scared of you, little nigga. Why are you closing, man? This is my first time playing. Grand. Damn. Day 3. What's that? I'm going this. Should I check this room? No. Oh, let's go up. Damn, bro. They 4. What is that black for, bro? Oh, they've been beating me up. I wish I can find the phone and call the cops. Hey, come help me up. What is this room for, bro? Woo! What is this, bro? Damn. Look, someone's coming, bro. I see you. That was a heart attack, bro. The last day? Go. Come on. Let's do aim. Go first, be first. Open up, open up. Go on the bed. Ha! He's Riley. She's Riley. Eh? Joe, ke tle ke busy. Ke tla go bitsa Joe. Let's go out. You don't see me, bitch. No, don't call out. I'm busy. I'm busy, bro. So for that. So for that, chat. Let's go on the bed. She had a head of you. Granny's house. She's figuring me out. She just wanna kill me. Fuck that bitch. I hate you so much cause you want to kill me. Damn. Fuck. That's my fucking last day, bro. I don't play. Hey, you bitch. What is wrong? Oh, you banging her. Uh-huh. What's wrong? Damn! I'm down with this game, bro. I'm down. No, I don't play a game. I definitely don't play a game, bro. No. No, I don't play a game. I don't play a game, bro. I'm out. I'm out, Che. See you next fucking... Damn! See you next time.